Aim for perfection in synthesis by memorizing the basic rules. Here's 3 examples. Students need to remember that rather comes with than and prefer comes with to. For example, Cindy enjoys playing board games with her friends. She does not like to play computer games with them. If rather is given in the space, the correct answer will be Cindy would rather play board games than computer games with her friends. If prefer is given in the space, the correct answer will then be Cindy prefers playing board games to computer games with her friends. Note that the verb play should come with ing to use it as a gerund, which is a noun formed from a verb. The third example, in spite of, despite. There's 2 ways to write a sentence using in spite of, despite by using the fact that or verb plus ing. For example, given the sentence, May was not spoiled by her parents although she was the only child. You can answer it this way. Option 1, in spite of being the only child, May was not spoiled by her parents. Being, in this case, is a gerund that comes from the word was. Put this into your memory. The noun form of is, are, was, were is being. Option 2, in spite of the fact that May was the only child, she was not spoiled by her parents. For more guidance in PSLE English and other important tips and tricks, quickly get a copy of ILLAC's very own publishing, the One Guidebook you need for PSLE English.